Welcome to 7926 Deepwell Drive here in San Antonio, Texas, right next to Stillwater Ranch in the sought-after Northside ISD. This is a beautiful single-story home, 3-side brick. It is a very popular floor plan, and you'll see why. This home offers 3 bedrooms, an office, 2 bathrooms, and a little bit over 1,600 square feet of living space. High ceilings throughout the house. Lots of natural light. I love all the windows here in the living area and kitchen. And you have beautiful tile all throughout your living space, kitchen, and foyer. This kitchen comes with stainless steel appliances. This is a gas community. And you have this beautiful open concept. You have your dining area here to the left and a beautiful living room with a fireplace. I love all the cabinetry and counter space. You have your 42-inch cabinets. And let's go take a look at your living room. Very nice area with your fireplace, perfect for an intimate setting. Tucked away from the other bedrooms, you have your primary bedroom with high ceilings, lots of windows, and your ensuite bathroom with dual vanities, walk-in shower, and your tub. This is a very popular floor plan built by Castle Rock, and you can see why. It is a single-story home, very convenient, very spacious. This house was built in 2018, so it still has some builder warranties, so take advantage of that. This is an amazing community. Everything is close by, restaurants, attractions, you're minutes away from the main highways. And this community has beautiful amenities such as walking trails, parks, basketball courts, a pool. And one of the advantages of this home is that you don't have to pay premium price to have the same floor plan that they're building. And their sellers are happy to contribute with closing costs or an interest rate buy down, so you and your family can have a lower monthly payment. So schedule your appointment today. This is gonna be your office. Beautiful house, beautiful location. Schedule your appointment today.